Well, hi there. So, welcome to this digital marketing project training program by the name of Springtails, which is e-commerce website so that you can become a digital marketer. So, guys, I have planned this entire training for you. If you are someone who know digital marketing, maybe you have been to Google Ads, Meta Ads, but you never got a chance to work on a project. You don't know how to launch campaigns for a project. So this program is having 8 different modules, but before I walk you through these modules, let me give you a basic idea about this project. Springtails, an e-commerce website having different artificial jewelry based products. Now this entire website is made in Shopify. Shopify is a CMS, a content management system for people who are not developers. In fact, if you are a developer, then also Shopify helps you to manage this entire ecosystem of e-commerce business smoothly. Now, in Shopify, to make this website, I chose a theme by the name of Dawn. After you choose a theme in Shopify, you are simply required to upload the products into it, and then the website is almost ready. So it was all about buying the domain, then getting Shopify, uploading products, and then you launch Google Meta campaigns, you do social media and SEO, and you can expect sales coming on this projects. It's that easy, guys, but you have to go step by step. Now, how do I get these products? So usually, guys, when we get into any business, when you think about launching your shop, you think about having an online store, you always required to get products. You buy these products in from the wholesale market of your area. You then put these products in a warehouse, maybe in your own house. You pack these orders. When a delivery guy arrives, when an order arrives, this person is gonna come to your home. He's gonna call you. You pick the order, place this order, put this order, like give the order to this delivery guy. Then he's supposed to further, deliver the order through a chain, through a system to the customer's house. Customer get the order. He, if it's a prepaid order, he gives the money to the company, to the person now, and the money arrives to us. Quite a tedious, long process. Oh my god, I didn't have time for this much of activity. So I thought, how would I make sure someone else places these orders on my behalf? This concept is called as drop shipping. So now, whenever I get an order in this order section of Shopify, I simply place the order, ask this company by the name of Roboso Cloud to place all of my orders. This entire concept is called as drop shipping. So in drop shipping, we don't own the products, we don't buy the products, we don't even manage the products. We are partnering up with a company, with a vendor, and when we get the order on our website, we ask this vendor to fulfill the order. We call it vendor fulfillment model. Anyways, so here we have different products available on this Roposo Cloud. If I want to sell, let's say, this product on my website, I simply click on this push to Shopify button, and the order gets pushed from Roposo Cloud to my website. Quite simple. And then I'm supposed to launch and run different campaigns in Meta. I'm sorry, different campaigns in Google, first of all. Then gonna have different campaigns in Meta. Gonna have products in Merchant Center. Gonna have analytics account, tag manager, plethora of tools, guys. It's quite confusing. But the idea is to make you understand how do you start your journey as a digital marketer. Now, this program is having different modules. If you are just starting this training program, you are in module 1 right now. Module 1 is all about planning a project, having a roadmap of this project so you generate some sales towards the end of the month, which starts with a website plan, which means how you plan a website, a project plan, how you plan an entire project, a keyword analysis, we call it keyword auditing sometimes, we call it keyword planning sometimes. So we pull up the keywords for Google and SEO, and a media plan, which in which we decide what all campaigns will be run for, for Google and Meta, and eventually how many projected sales we will generate towards the end of the month. So you start your journey today with the module number 1. In module 1, you watch different topics, you do assignments, you do questionnaires. And if you have any doubts, let's say if you think the module 1 is gonna work for you, then only you get into module 2. In module 2, which is the second module, it's for Google Ads. You will be expected to launch different campaigns first of all after creating a ad account for this project. Then you get into module 3. You have to do campaign setup for Meta, then social media marketing and branding. You do some activities for social media. You further get into SEO, email marketing, and towards the end, you are expected to go through the different kind of job interviews for different profiles, depending on what profile you are interested in, so that eventually you end up getting a freelance project or a high paying job. If you think you want to connect with me further, then we have a 2 months of project training program. So you can connect with me over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. But before you get into it, I really want you to complete the module 1 today, or at least in 2-3 days, starting from today, so that you can end up getting a job or a freelance project in the digital marketing world. I'll see you then.